A beautiful 4 p.m. folks. This is CM, and you're presently tuning in to your fortnightly 4 p.m. habit. Welcome to another episode of RCCO On Air, where music and information meets. Your go-to stream for music and substantial legal discussions is now on its 22nd episode. And great news! It's also November, and that means we're nearing the holidays, and we at RCCO On Air, alongside RC&Co lawyers, are grateful to all of you for relentlessly patronizing this radio show. Now, I ask you, have you ever caught an illegal occupant at your own strata unit? And how worse can this experience be when there is an appearance of vandalism across your walls? And the burden goes heavier when the property owner has to share a hefty amount of cash to fix this flaw. That's like a three-peat of strata headache if you're going to ask me. I present to you today the plight of a strata owner, which is entitled The Price of Neglect, billing property owners for vandalism. This is going to be another exciting topic as we have RC&Co lawyers, resident strata lawyer, and should I mention as well, she is also the principal lawyer of RC&Co lawyers, and that's attorney Rochelle Castro. Don't leave the stream yet, as RCCO On Air gets back to you shortly.
RCCO On Air!
In a world where uncertainties abound, find peace of mind with RC&Co lawyers. Our mission is your empowerment. We're not just legal experts. We're partners in your journey to resolution. At RC&Co lawyers, we understand that every case is unique. Our diverse team combines expertise with compassion, ensuring you're heard and understood. We believe in your right to peace of mind and resolution. Experience the empowerment of knowing you're in capable hands. RC&Co Lawyers, where peace of mind, empowerment, and resolution converge. RC&Co Lawyers. Effective, resourceful, clear. Contact us for a 20-minute complimentary consultation now.
RCCO on air! RCCO on air!
Welcome back to RCCO On Air, where music and information meets. At this point, we are about to discuss whether property owners must pay for the damages inflicted by vandalism caused by an illegal occupant. And to address this new legal matter, we are grateful to have a strata law expert on board, as she also stands as the principal lawyer of her very own law firm, which is actually called RC&Co Lawyers. And together with her colleagues, her A team has assisted many strata communities in attaining their best interests for peaceful communal living. Let us all welcome Attorney Rochelle Castro.
I've got a situation here that has been given to me about expenses incurred as a result of vandalism. So I'll read it. I'm writing to seek your expert advice regarding a pressing issue in our community. We recently discovered that a squatter has vandalized our common property, resulting in substantial damage, estimated to be in tens of thousands of dollars. The situation has further been complicated by the fact that the owner claims that the unit was intended to be vacant and is unaware of how the individual managed to inhabit the space and use it as a base for vandalism and theft. The perpetrator has now been apprehended and released on bail, while some members of our community are optimistic about the possibility of billing the property owner for the incurred costs and remain uncertain about the feasibility of this approach. Could you please provide guidance on whether it is appropriate and legally sound to pursue this course of action against the owner? It's really all about the evidence. These loss and damages, which is what we will refer to it, to clean up the vandalism or damage to common property, could be claimed against the person who directly caused it. Now, from the current situation, the explanation is that it is the strata community. The strata community will be claiming it from the owner of the property where the vandalizer stayed to whilst committing the crime, the vandalism. It's important that the strata community provide direct evidence or proof that the owner of the property and the vandalizer are actually interconnected. But even if there is a relationship, it is highly likely that the strata community would have to appropriately claim to be granted to have a positive outcome, to claim the loss and damages directly from the person who vandalized. So two things I want to highlight here: evidence and answering the question who directly caused the loss and damage. And in this instance, I see that it's the strata community who should be claiming it from the vandalizer and not the unit owner.
Wow, thank you for that advice, Attorney Rochelle. And if you are in need of legal assistance, most especially with matters related to strata, debt collection, conveyancing, immigration, and property, don't hesitate to contact the professionals just only here at RC&Co Lawyers. I'm going to show the different social media channels in which RC&Co Lawyers are present. And we've got Facebook, which you are actually watching right now. And then the second one is we're available on Instagram. That's RCCO_lawyers. And then we're also available on X, or that's formerly Twitter. That's RCCO_law. We're also available on LinkedIn, TikTok, and as well as on YouTube. And if you would like to know more about RC and Co Lawyers, and we're actually gearing towards community development by sponsoring different basketball leagues, we're actually present on rccolawyers.com. Once again, let me make that clear. That's www.rccolawyers.com. You may want to check on our blogs, different appearances of RC and Co Lawyers across media channels, so you will be informed of what RCCO Lawyers have to offer. And that was a really quick but really fulfilling information session, and that's only available with Attorney Rochelle Castro. Don't leave yet, as RCCO On Air gets back to you shortly.
RCCO On Air.
Seeking a legal champion to protect your interests? At RC&Co Lawyers, we dedicate our steadfast effectiveness, resourcefulness, and clarity to yield the best results for you. We foster informed decision-making through education and transparent communication, so that you are equipped with complete understanding of your legal options, with relentless support by our roster of seasoned legal professionals. Contact RC&Co Lawyers now and have us advocate for your legal rights.
RC&Co Lawyers, effective, resourceful, and clear.
RCCO On Air.
News break!
Massive changes are coming for Victoria's building and plumbing industry. The Allen government has announced a powerful new watchdog, and that's called the Building and Plumbing Commission, and that is to replace the Victorian Building Authority. This new agency will bring together regulation, insurance, and dispute resolution to protect home buyers. For the first time, the watchdog can direct builders to fix substandard work even after move-in. And did you know it can also block the sale of apartments with serious defects? The government is investing $63.3 million to boost inspectors and crack down on the unregistered work. These reforms promise greater peace of mind for Victorians building, buying, or renovating works. Stay tuned on RCCO On Air as we bring you more updates on strata laws and regulations in collaboration with our A-team at RCCO Lawyers.
RCCO On Air. News break.
And that concludes our afternoon. Another day, another episode well spent. Always remember that RC&Co Lawyers are here to offer legal support, and we are looking forward to your messages on our Facebook inbox, as well as on our other social media channels. Do not forget that information is your greatest weapon. Keep yourself informed and legally empowered. Until next time, where music and information meet, that's only here on RCCO On Air. Goodbye. See you in 2 weeks.
RCCO On Air. Gotcha the scoop you need and the tunes you love. RCCO On Air. Stay curious. Stay groovy. RCCO On Air. Now signing off.